Hello and welcome to Synder Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how Synder can send automatic invoice payment reminders to your customers. This can be easily set up with the help of our Smart Rules feature. But please note that such a smart rule will only work for the invoices that are sent to your customers via Synder. That is, if you're using our Receive Payments invoicing feature. So let's say I sent a couple of invoices to my customers and one of them did not get paid on time, so it's overdue now. And instead of going into QuickBooks, checking the status of the invoice and emailing this customer manually, I can make Synder do this automatically. And to do this quickly and easily, I go to the Smart Rules menu and click the Templates tab. Here I will select the Reminder tab and go for the Invoice Payment Reminder After Due Date. So I'm clicking Try It Out and will customize this very smart rule according to my specific needs. Any rule that is built within Synder has three major parts. It's the trigger or start when block, then it's condition or several, as in case of this complex rule, and the result, the then blocks. This is a good example of a complex rule with a couple of conditions and a couple of actions as a result. You can build as simple or as complex a rule as you need by simply editing this template. And you can see that you can click any block to edit it according to your specific needs. So let's take a closer look at this template and adjust it. So I'm not going to change the trigger because I want the rule to be activated whenever an invoice payment reminder needs to be sent. So let me edit the conditions instead. So I'm clicking on the first condition and it says that days after due date equals 1. You can set any value here. I'm happy with 1, so I will go with this. Then I also have another condition set that if a balance is greater than 0, I want this rule to be applied. I can easily delete this condition, but let's keep it here for just a while. And I'm clicking the then block, the action block, in order to edit it. And I can see that in case all those conditions are observed, an email will be sent to the customer on file on this invoice with this very subject and with this text in the body. You can actually have Synder send an SMS message or a voice message to your customer. So there are different options in here. I'm pretty happy with what I have in here, and I also attach or do not attach the PDF of the QuickBooks invoice. Also in this template, I can see that there is another condition in another set of actions. So if the invoice was not paid within 14 days after the due date and the balance is greater than 0, another email will be sent to my customer with this very text. You can edit this text from top to bottom. You can type in whatever you need. You can actually use our template helper to insert all of those invoice numbers, shipping dates automatically, whatever is listed in here. And there are also ready-made templates for you. You can click around and see what you have and edit this text just as you wish, as you like. I can also see that there is another action which follows this first action that we said. And in this case, the company owner is getting the email that the invoice was voided because it was not paid on time. So the main point here is that you can edit this whole template according to your rules. Just, I don't want this condition now, so I'm deleting all of those. And I can just leave it like this. So let's just save the rule and see what happens as a result. So now, whenever an invoice is 1 day overdue, my customer will receive such an email. You will see the text that you set in the rule and also the payment link for the customer to quickly pay for this invoice right away. And that's it. Now you don't need to worry about reminding your customers to pay for their overdue invoices. Synder will do this for you.